Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week I wanted to show you how to create 2 mini cakes in fun, fresh, vibrant colors. I was actually inspired by Jawbreakers. So let's do it! And by mini cakes, I mean 6-inch cakes. Usually mini cakes are like 4-inch cakes, but to me 6 inches is really small. Ladies. Let's do it! So for my first cake, I'm going to start off here with 2 6-inch round chocolate cakes. Just going to level these out, fill them with buttercream, stack them up, start icing the cake. Let's do it. So here I have some plain white buttercream in my cheater bag. I have a bench scraper, hot water, and my spatula. I'm just gonna go ahead and start icing this cake white. So just using my spatula, just smoothing out the top as best as I can. And then starting to work on the sides. Just holding my spatula straight up and down, moving the turntable, letting the turntable do the work for me. And then just pulling in that excess buttercream from the top right into the center of the cake. And that should give you a nice crisp edge. So for this cake, I'm going to be adding a little bit of yellow, blue, and pink. I don't really want it to look watercolory, but I do. I'm going to start with the lightest color, yellow. Ugh. Holy fuck! Just taking a little bit of buttercream on my spatula and just randomly placing it on the cake. Next, taking my bench scraper, just placing it in a little bit of hot water, dabbing it off onto my cloth, and just very gently going around the cake, holding that bench scraper straight up and down. So yes, it does kind of look watercolor-y, but I don't want this to be too blended. I want it to be patchy and blocky. You know, blocky. And at this point, you can go back in and put any color that you want on there and just kind of smooth it out until you're happy with the cake. So once you're happy with your watercolor or your cake blocking, or your cake color blocking, I'm taking some black liquid gel or some black food dye. I just put a little bit of water in it, splattering it on the cake. That's it. So I'm loving that. I love it. It's totally 80s to me. I don't know why. Next, I have here 5 Jawbreakers. Remember these? Don't eat these alone, kids. You'll choke. Like, it's inevitable. It's gonna happen, so don't eat these alone. These are like freaking, I don't even know what these are. Bowling balls. You can knock somebody out with these. Be like, yo, Patricia, where's my money, bitch? Where's my money? You know, like that. Patricia. Patricia always steals money. You're gonna want to find the front of your cake, which I think is right there. And just placing these right on top. That was really, really quick. So that's the whole point of the video. I wanted to show you 2 easy, quick, fun, colorful, fresh, vibrant mini cakes that you could create at home. Something quick for like a party or something that just came out. But I love this look, it's amazing. So here's number 1. So mini cake number 2, I have here again 2 6-inch round chocolate cakes. Just gonna level them out, fill them with buttercream, stack them up, start decorating. So for this one, same kind of deal. I'm using my pink and yellow, but I'm also going to use lime green on this one as well. And we're kind of decorating it the same way. So once you're happy with your watercolor design, I'm taking a little bit of white food gel, pouring a little on my table. Just taking a nice clean brush, and again, I'm gonna splatter it on the cake. All over. So these are 2 very similar designs, almost the exact same design, just with different colors. So for this cake topper, I'm using 2 unconventional toppers. To me, y'all know this, not everything on a cake has to be edible. As long as you tell your client or your friends or your family that they're not edible, it's good to go. So I'm using some balloons and some feathers on top of this cake. So you're gonna wanna find the front of your cake. You know what? Orange. Yes, that's better. Totes cute. I don't like the yellow one there. Hold on. I didn't like the yellow one. Big one's cute though, but I have a pinwheel. So I'm gonna stick my pinwheel in him. Isn't that fun? Love it. Guys, here are 2 easy mini cakes to decorate that are decorated very similarly. You have your jawbreaker cake, and then you have this cool, funky feather balloon cake. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa and Margaret for sponsoring this video, and I will see all y'all next week. Don't forget to send in your clips so that I can feature you in the beginning of my videos. Again, just a quick clip saying, "Hi, my name is Brenda and I'm from Alabama and you're watching Epic Confections. Let's do it!" That's all I need from you, and you can be part of the video. So thank you very much, and I will see y'all next week. Mwah!